All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So considering, thinking about something, yeah. I am considering the new ideas. I will be considering these different topics. We have different video ideas to consider. Yeah. Now, considering that idea, what now? Considering that idea, what shall we do about it? Considering that idea, what shall we do about it? Could do anything. Yeah. They were considering it as a holiday. Yeah. How long have you been considering to go there? I think considering the weather, we should go somewhere else. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Considering that he is smart, he does not know what to do. Yeah. He thinks that they might be considering his plans. Considering that she was late, maybe she should have a different time, maybe different schedule. Maybe. Yeah. How cool is that? Now, considering that it works, then we should do it again and again. If it works, then do it again and again and again and again. How cool is that? Yeah. He spoke to them considering the changes. Yeah, he was speaking to them and thinking about the changes. What's going to happen? What could be different? What would it mean? I'm building and considering their thoughts. Yeah, so as I'm writing, I am considering what they talked about. We're considering their ideas. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. When are they going to start considering your ideas? When are they going to start considering my ideas? Why won't they consider his ideas? Maybe they're considering his plans and what he wants to do. Maybe they are considering his plans. Not so sure, it depends. How cool is that? Yeah. So, considering. Thinking about something. Maybe, yeah. So, can you use considering in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.